Looking for a powerful AI assistant to help you chat, create code, and work smarter? Let's talk about Cloud AI, one of the rising stars in AI productivity tools in 2025. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on my personal opinion and research. So, what is Cloud AI? According to the official site Cloud.ai, Cloud is an AI assistant developed by Anthropic, trained with constitutional AI to be safe, accurate, and secure. It's designed to help you get your best work done, whether it's writing, coding, analyzing data, or brainstorming ideas. Cloud AI works on web, iOS, and Android, so you can access it wherever you are. The basic free plan lets you chat, generate code, create and edit content, analyze text and images, all at zero costs. That's pretty generous for anyone just starting out. If you want more power, the Pro plan at $17 per month, billed annually, adds more usage, unlimited projects to organize your chats and documents, web search, and integration with Google Workspace like cut. And integration with Google Workspace like email and calendar. This is great for everyday productivity. For serious users, the Max plan offers up to 20 times more usage than Pro. Higher output limits, direct terminal access for coding, advanced research tools, and priority access during peak times. But it comes at a steep price starting from $100 per month. You can use Cloud AI for basically anything, from simplifying your busy work to complex problem solving, coaching through tough questions, and generating creative or technical content. Cloud AI is a versatile, user friendly AI assistant that scales you with your needs. Whether you want a free, simple chatbot or a full fledged AI coworker, Cloud has you covered. If you're looking to boost productivity and creativity, it's definitely worth trying. Let me know if you've used Cloud AI and how it's worked for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.